Yes, I'm an English writer and an English poet. I have written a couple of books that are internationally published. I have a small publishing house also. And I'm hoping to hear all of you. I know 2 faces or 3 faces here, which I have met in Indore. Indore शहर नया है, but बहुत अच्छा है. So thank you so much. I know मेरा टाइम जा रहा है, but it's okay because I'm performing for the first time, so I really wanted to talk. जैसे कि आपने बोला था स्टार्टिंग में कि किसी का नाम आपने जिक्र किया था कि वो कहते थे कि ताली मत बजाना तो चलेगा करके. I always feel that कि because whenever I perform in tier 2, tier 3 cities, ऐसा नहीं है कि गलत बात है, बट क्योंकि इंग्लिश जॉनरा नहीं है ज़्यादा, लोग नहीं लिखते एज़ कम्पेयर टू बॉम्बे. आई ऑलवेज से कि अच्छा लगे तो स्माइल कर देना, अच्छा नहीं लगे तो भी स्माइल कर देना, बिकॉज स्माइल करने से 14 फेशियल मसल्स काम करते हैं एंड इट्स ऑलवेज ब्यूटिफुल. हर इंसान हंस के अच्छा ही लगता है, हर चेहरा हंस के अच्छा लगता है. सो बस इतना कर देना. सो विद दैट आई विल स्टार्ट. I have recited this a lot of times, but I have new people here, so I would love to recite something on growing up. So I have a teenage daughter. I am a single parent of a teenage girl. She's 15. She's a proper Gen Z. So talking about Gen Zs, I don't know the moms and fathers. If we have in the crowd, they would understand. Or भाई बहन किसी के हैं तो oh my God, to bring up a Gen Z and single parent. Oh my God. So this one is for girls. आदमियों से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, but फिर भी. So this is titled as Grow Up Babe. Alright, it's for the strength and it's for everyone, especially for girls, but for everyone. You could relate, feel it. So the title of the poem is Grow Up Babe. Don't worry, you're strong. Don't worry, you're strong. You're a warrior. Your body is not a crime scene. Your body is not a crime scene. Your body is not an apology. Your body is like a cliff. It's not easy for everyone to climb on it. It takes guts to love a woman. Remember, it takes guts to love a woman. Your spaces between the legs are almighty. The blessing, your presence in the world, your femininity is like a goddess. Your tresses are like waterfalls. Your every inch is crafted with excellence. Your existence has determined our ancestors' history. Your existence today has determined our ancestors' history. Your swing of the hips is the luck redesigned. Your swing of the hips is the luck redesigned. Your smile is the soul of the universe. Oh, pretty woman, you're so wonderful. You're defined and you're inherited. Now, when we are talking about women, we're talking about girls, let me tell you, you're so wonderful that you're one of them. You're so wonderful that you're one of them. Don't forget that you're them. You're like them. You're like men. Because there's no inequality in the universe. The creators has given no inequality. You're equal to men. You're one of them. You're like them. There's no man versus woman. There is no man versus woman. So live it up. You're the center of the stage. The world is on your knees. Grow up, babe. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Smile किया अच्छा लगा मुझे. Very nice. So do I have time? मतलब I don't know. Do I have time more? Okay. So now I have time more. Usually प्यार इश्क मोहब्बत पे मैं लिखती नहीं हूँ. मैं मुझसे नहीं होता. Mental health. I have a podcast, The Healing Tree. I talk about feminism and mental health more. So मेरी poems भी थोड़ी वैसी होती हैं. But this one is little on love. But this is the love to grow older. So हम breakups की बात करते हैं, प्यार की बात करते हैं, गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड, बट उस प्यार का क्या जो साथ चलता है आपके. You grow old with that love, you know. So the poem is growing older. So there's a couple sitting in the backyard and talking to themselves. So what happens, you know? The man talks to her. Let me tell you one thing. He whispered on her ear, sitting cozy and warm. Darling, am I getting old? I think I've overgrown. I'm aging decently though, I think. What do you feel? She asked, how did you know when this happened to you that you're growing old? He replied, the young girls are no more afraid of me. They open the doors fearlessly when I knock the door. The metro and the rail ticket offers cheap pass now. And women always feel safe with me. They are no longer apprehensive of me whenever I'm alone in the elevators. So there's no rush and no scaredness there. My farts are no longer recognized shady. Kids accept me more seriously. Oh, ye to uncle hai. Theek hai. On the account of me being aging, my yells are no more arrogant. I can snore in the night and I can yell, oh, uncle hai, theek hai, koi baat nahi. And you also have become more caring towards me. Don't you think? You have become so generous. He said. She looked at him, she kissed his forehead and replied, you know, darling, I thought your memories are fading away with age. Because I don't think you have overgrown. You have grown wiser and wiser with age. And the most important is, you're growing with me. So we are growing older. And I love you for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That was my time. And thank you so much for having me here. Thank you, thank you.